So many fraud cases start with a single complaint, and in the early stages, it might not be clear there is a fraud. It might be a bad business practice. When Denver Division Postal Inspector Paul Beekhuizen, working out of the Omaha domicile, started to dig into what was advertised as an investment opportunity, he realized the single complaint was just the tip of the iceberg. When the smoke cleared, Inspector Beekhuizen had uncovered a Ponzi scheme that victimized 631 individuals and cost them over $102 million. Here's what happened. Between September 2009 and October 2018, Frederick Voigt, through F.A. Voigt and Associates and other businesses, offered money-making investment opportunities. In his pitches, he told investors that he would search for companies that had an excellent and innovative product in a growing market, but were short of cash. Voigt said his business entities pooled investor funds and provided secured loans to companies, but he failed to disclose material information to lenders and potential lenders, leading some to believe the full amount of money they lent to Voigt's entities would be invested in specifically identified companies. But most of the money Voigt received from lenders was never invested directly into any of those companies. The money went into Voigt's pocket. One program offered investors a 42% return. To pay back the lenders, Voigt made payments using the funds of new investors. It was a classic Ponzi scheme, and, as in all Ponzi schemes, it came apart when investors started to miss their dividend payments from Voigt or tried to withdraw their funds. Some of the investors were longtime clients of Voigt. One individual from Omaha was a client for over 10 years. Another felt Voigt did nothing wrong based on their mutual religious faith. But there was one consistent thread: they all lost money. Inspector Beekhuizen's investigation led to an indictment of Voigt on mail fraud, wire fraud, and money laundering charges. He was convicted in federal court in Nebraska and sentenced to 5.5 years in federal prison and ordered to pay $40.9 million in restitution. Voigt's success with defrauding so many individuals emphasizes how important it is to exercise caution when investing, no matter how much trust you have in the individual or company you are investing with. Check out the investment, especially ones that offer no-risk investment opportunities or high rates of return. Remember, there is always some risk. And sky-high rates of return that sound too good to be true probably are. For more information on frauds, visit uspis.gov.